Vicki Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Footville, or 7 miles southeast of Evansville, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Orfordville, Footville, Magnolia,